So once all the 5 screws are fixed, we will check whether the remote is working or not by inserting the battery. Without putting the back cover, just we'll see putting the battery. Now all the display, right, the back LED is glowing. So that means the LED has been soldered correctly. Then we will see whether all the display, yes, on off is working, mode is also working, temperature is also working. Okay, right. So now we will check whether the infrared LED is working or not by pressing the key. Yes, the infrared LED is able to transmit the infrared rays. So now you are confident that the remote is ready. Now we can fix the cover, remote cover. Now again we will check the remote once again. The remote cover, battery cover. Right. So the remote is working perfectly alright. Okay. So thank you.